Hello, my name is Oscar Carmona. I'm owner of Healing Grounds Nursery located in Goleta, California. Now I'd like to talk about tomato tree growing suggestions. Certain varieties of tomatoes, primarily we're talking about indeterminate varieties of tomatoes, which are trailing tomatoes, and certain varieties will grow to a larger extent than others. And we're talking about maybe 5 feet, sometimes up to 6 feet. The main thing you want to consider is proper trellising for these plants so that they are well supported throughout their development, whether that be bamboo stakes or formal trellis or a giant tomato cage. Make sure that the size of your trellis option is suitable for the length of growth of the tomato variety you've selected. This is Oscar Carmona from Healing Grounds Nursery, and I just provided you with some good suggestions on how to grow tomato tree varieties.